अभी मैं ये लीड जनरेशन करने के लिए मैं किसी को हायर करता, मैं करूंगा ही नहीं, मैं इससे करवाऊंगा।
ये करना, एंटर डू वन थिंग क्राफ्ट मी ईमेल्स देखते करता है।
सेंड देम वन बाय वन, लेट्स सी। लॉगिन आईडी मांगेगा मेरा।
Have you ordered something from Amazon using AI agents?
Not yet. I don't usually order online.
और क्या क्या कर सकता है?
Think of any task, a human will do it for you. कुछ भी सोचो, आप एक टास्क उठाओ, आप कुछ हायरिंग कर रहे हो ना रिसेंटली, उन्हीं का जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन उठाओ और दो इसको. Does not matter literally anything. But again, it also has the limitations. Because it is a Chinese company, it has to be very preserved on what you're providing information. Because we are Indian, we have to patriot. देख रहे हो बोला क्या? I'll craft templates for each of the companies. Before sending any emails, I need to verify the content and get your email credentials. Let me start by drafting email templates for you. And यहाँ पे आप क्या कर सकते हो ना? You can give him template that this is how I want the email template to be, just like in information. फिर वो apply करेगा the same way. So it is built on Claude Sonnet. So मैं जाता हूँ Claude Sonnet पे थोड़ी देर के लिए जब तक ये कर रहा है.
Okay.
क्या होता है? Claude Sonnet is a different type of GPT. Same, but a different one. More creative. आप यहाँ पे एक बुक दे सकते हो उसके. GPT में बुक नहीं दे सकते हो. यहाँ पे आप एक बड़ा सा बुक दे सकते हो and tell him, जाओ, tell me some of the key findings one by one, chapter by chapter. And फिर it's not just key findings. It's like, go to chapter number 1, tell me that this is my stuff. मान लो एक self help का book है. Let's think about a self help book.
Let's do it, no?
Okay.
Yeah, it'll be better, no?
Suggest me one thing. One book.
The Almanac of Naval Ravikant. That's my favorite.
Naval Ravikant book, right? You know, this one. Do we have the PDF of it?
I don't know. If you have any PDF of the book, you can download. There's a website, no, which gets you all the PDF.
हाँ, Zlib बंद कर दिया उसने.
अच्छा.
RBI ने completely बंद कर दिया.
ये आ गया देख इसका तो PDF.
इसका तो आ गया.
Oh, thanks.
Two 242 pages.
Okay.
Eric. Naval book. देखो, अब क्या है ना कि ये पैसे लेता है किसी चीज के, लेकिन मैं ट्राई करता हूँ बिना पैसे के भी हो ही जाना चाहिए. You can choose the style. You can, how should normal, concise, explanatory, formal, choose it. And बहुत सारे इसमें भी जैसे GPT बहुत सारे मॉडल है ना, इसमें भी बहुत सारे मॉडल है. जैसे our most intelligent model, fastest model for the daily tasks, extended for math and coding challenges, and just costs I think some dollars, $20 a month. It's very easy. I think people should do it literally. I feel instead of investing stuff, yeah, $18 Pro. Monthly is $20. Same as GPT. मैं काम करूँगा. Hi, I'll give you okay. Naval book. This is the book. तो basically बोल क्या रहा है? Divide that in chapters, but let's do this only. Or we can just copy and paste the first chapter if you want. Which is the first chapter, dude? I've never read this book.
Yeah, this is the one.
This one?
Yeah.
How to get Sweet without getting lucky. Okay. And this is how people could complete our books on top of it. Dude, I'm just going to go here and tell the book, take the first chapter.
Wow, it is copied, pasted entirely.
Yeah. So we'll take till here.
Yeah, okay.
Basically, Claude works on more text. You can provide more information. ठीक है, और ऐसे करके आप 1000 कर सकते हो. So you eventually make a whole book. This is the book. Take a look at the first chapter. Find out the key findings from it. ठीक है,
And help me make an Instagram reel from this. A viral Instagram reel. Will that happen? Can it create scripts of reels from the book?
See, it can. Oh, that's an interesting idea.
Yeah.
Okay. मैं तो सोचा ही नहीं था. Okay. It says your message will exceed. Try attaching smaller files. We need to make more stuff.
Actually, it's not bad, huh?
But you know, that's why I say most people what do they do? वो सीधा ये पूछते हैं, जैसे अभी मैंने कितना गंदे से पूछा, हेल्प मी मेक इंस्टाग्राम रील फ्रॉम दिस. अगर आप इसको कुछ फ्रेमवर्क दोगे जो ऑलरेडी काम करता है,
हाँ.
देखना फिर कितना अच्छा काम करता है. जस्ट गिव हिम द इन्फॉर्मेशन हाउ टू मेक बेस्ट इंस्टाग्राम रील्स. देयर शुड बी सम गुड फ्रेमवर्क्स व्हिच इज पब्लिश्ड बाय लॉट ऑफ गुड पीपल ऑनलाइन. कॉपी एंड पेस्ट. एक काम करते हैं, सुनो, यूट्यूब पे जाते हैं.
Can it consume videos?
Transcripts.
Okay.
How to make best Instagram reel.
Viral. How to make viral.
Viral. Sorry. We need a framework.
Yeah, I think.
एक बंदे का था how to make viral YouTube videos. Patty. Yeah, let's use this. But not this because they don't have really. Do you want to use Mr. Beast?
Yeah, sure.
Huh? And share it. सबसे पहले जाके YouTube ट्रांसक्रिप्ट निकालना है. Let's go this. Here. So what I'm trying to do, I'm again using the principle of application of something already good into my context. So what I'll do, copy transcript is my this. So your script is bad. I want to use my framework. Mr. Beast video to learn how he makes viral videos, and based on the information, update the script. Gain. Just cut it down a little.
It's a very long.
Yeah. It needs to be cut down a bit.
No, I
Right.
think you can copy the transcript. Do the copy transcript one. I think you would attach the book. That's why it happened. That's why. I think it should happen now. Just try it once.
This is.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.